Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sell on Dubizzle. The first thing I want you to do is come here to dubizzle.com and then you need to log in. So you click here, log in or sign up. You can actually continue with a Google account as well, or Facebook, Apple, or just use your email. I'll use this Google account. Click here on continue, and then once we're logged in, we just come here to the top right. We click on place your ad, and then they'll ask you to choose a category after you select your city. I'll go ahead and pick Dubai, and then you just click here on Yalla, and then we pick our category. So we have different categories. We have motors, we have jobs, we have property for sale, property for rent, community, and classifieds. Now jobs are under hiring and I want a job. So either you're a recruiter or you're a job seeker. I'll go ahead and do classifieds. In this case, we'll click on that, and you can either sell with AI, where you simply take a picture or you upload an image and AI will do the rest of the details for you, or you can do a classic ad post. I'll come here, click on classic ad post, and then we'll enter a short title to describe our listing. So I'm going to be selling a GM wine cooler. Click here on let's go, and this is just a description to attract the buyers, potential clients. So then we choose the specific category. So this one will go under refrigerators and freezers. And then you come here and add pictures. So I'll come here and get our wine cooler. So here are the images. Click here on open, and then you can set a main photo. So what I'll do, I'll go ahead and let's say we'll drag this here to the top. It'll become the main photo that will attract the buyers. And then you can enter your contact number, the price. We'll do 500 dirhams for this, and then we'll describe our appliance. I have described the features. If there's any issues, go ahead and outline that. Be honest, be transparent. And I have also explained some use cases. Now here you can say the age, everything with an asterisk you need to fill in. So we'll do 6 to 12 months, light usage, condition is excellent, number of doors 1, is there a warranty, does not apply for this one. And then you come here, you pick the brand. If you don't find it, come here and pick others. Location is required, so we'll come here, you can type it in as well, like this. Let's say you're in Marjan in Dubai, can enter that. These are required. And then you can choose how you want to label your location. That is completely optional. And then you can come here, click on next. All you need to do is enter your phone number and then send a verification code. And once you enter that code, your listing will actually be live, as you can see right here. But that is how to sell on Dubizzle.